Assembly empowers you as a leader of an engineering or product team to run effective retrospectives on your sprints and your projects. It's quick and easy to set them up. Click Add a New Flow in the left navigation and select the Sprint Retrospective template from the template library. Click Use this template to start making it your own. Set the schedule for the flow by selecting a start date and time, and selecting when that flow will repeat. Lastly, select what time zone you want it to trigger in. Now select who you'd like to be a participant. For a retrospective, it's best to add all of the collaborators and stakeholders as participants. Now adjust this flow's visibility. For the sake of transparency and accountability, it's best to set this to participants only for retros. Look through the template questions and update to fit your team's needs. When you're done, create the flow.